Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Transform by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Surrender to God establishes an identity in union with God, but we don't become the deity, nor do we lose ourself, but we are in willing accord with God. Senses are to be purified to perceive God in all. Those killed by God atone and even gain the merit of the top spheres of paradise named with God names. You know, the Lahut, that sort of thing. Identify, well, I'm using Arabic, Hebrew names. Identify with eternity beyond changes and forms. You know, beyond forms too. We will not understand our purpose by mere philosophy. God sets the situation for each to know the social system for their lives. Focus on doing what you can with the right consciousness in the present. What are you willing to give up to spread needed consciousness? Daughters may request arranged marriages. God will prove himself materially when needed. By the sacred chants, each time, matter, and space is how we have, is how we know God is. You know, we know these things like these things are divine names because of that. God is not approached by suicide, nor having everything done for you. God drives attraction and relationship that is for itself. Our lack of understanding, or even being able to collectively observe the material universe, should indicate the limited nature of how we may be able to explain are about what can be known or claimed to be known. But people talk about this, oh, it's not possible. It's like, well, if you don't have knowledge that it's not possible. I mean, sometimes people just make up stuff, but there's a lot of talk, like they don't know scientifically, so they're saying. Or sometimes it's they personally don't know, but there's evidence to the contrary. But be careful with these claims of, oh, we know this isn't possible, or we know this isn't it. Often an opportunity to be correct is earned. We need to actively become the spreaders of divine qualities. The personality of God involves all that is associated with him without the pollution of seeing the vehicles as the beings themselves. Austerities can be done upon these correspondences towards particular desired ends. The delusion of speculation is of different types and methods. There is no actual sacred scripture that doesn't mention and lead to God. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ashameseshyatam prapto yanme duhetur angrahit panin vipragne mukatah savitrya eva sadovat. He's my subordinate. He's accepted that because of my daughter. And he took her hand before the priestly class and the fire at the presence of a Yatri, like an honest person. And the Yatri, the opening hymn, is sort of like, in most forms of Hinduism, it's like, well, I mean, in more than any other mantra, I think is the chief mantra, and it goes something like Om Bhuvasivaha Tapsavatu Varaniyam Devas Devasyatimana Doyona Prachodeyat.